Hey everybody, so I know that my hair is messy, but I went slime shopping, so I'll be showing you what I got, because I just needed a couple things. So I got these cool, 2-ounce containers from Wholesale. I don't remember exactly how much they were, but yeah. Then I got this big Elmer's glue bottle. It's a big bottle of Glue Wall. I got some foaming hand soap in the scent Spring Showers, and it foams up. Then I got an extra bottle of shaving cream because it was on sale, and yeah. And this is for sensitive skin. This one works the best for me, and it has a seal. And then I have the popsicle sticks as mixers because I don't use spoons. Then I got, by the way, I got 100 of these. I have some of these metallic beads, and they're really pretty, and they are from Horizon Group USA. I know that these were $2 for apparently 250 beads, but does that really look like 250 beads? Leave a comment if it does to you. And they're really pretty colors though. This will probably only mix into like 2 slimes. Then I have, another random container. I have bags of them over there, over there. Then I have 2 or 3 packs of these Tony Roma's little face wipes. So for when I want to wash my hands. Then I have this tiny little bag in here, which holds more Tony Roma's things. And then, by the way, everything was from Walmart other than the containers and the Tony Roma's things. I have some baby oil. It's only a small pack. It's like the size of my hand, but I only needed a little bit. Then I got some Olay lotion, and it's shea butter. I've never seen people use this one, so I wanted to test it out. Comment down below if it works for you. Then I got a bottle of Elmer's Purple Clear. I'm really excited to use this, and apparently if it doesn't work, it goes on purple, dries on clear. I'm probably going to get some of this for school. Then I really